Stop using basic English words again and again. If you want to sound smarter, more confident, and more professional in English, then start replacing old and simple words with modern and powerful vocabulary. So let's start. Upgrade your English. Help, assist, buy, purchase, get, obtain, show, demonstrate, tell, inform, ask, inquire, start, comments, and conclude, keep, maintain, build, construct, improve, enhance, change, modify, use, utilize, try, attempt, find, discover, fix, repair, rich, wealthy, poor, needy, brave, courageous, smart, intelligent, strong, powerful, hungry, starving, tired, exhausted, happy, delighted, sad, miserable, angry, furious, big, massive, small, tiny, slow, sluggish, beautiful, gorgeous, ugly, unattractive, important, essential, famous, renowned, weak, fragile, careful, cautious, dangerous, hazardous, clean, spotless, dirty, filthy, old, ancient, new, innovative, idea, concept. Improve your English daily because powerful vocabulary creates powerful communication. Follow for more.